Hello friends, welcome to Helpy Coder, the channel which talks about technology and helps the coder community out there. And in this video, we are going to look into OBS Black Screen issue. So if you have recently updated your OBS Studio or for some other reason you are having OBS Black Screen issue when you are seeing the display capture option on your OBS, then this video will help you solve this. For example, if I right now the image that you are seeing on the background is coming because of the image option, but if I remove this image option, you see there is a black screen. I am unable, my display capture is on, but I am unable to see the display capture over here. So one of the quick fix that I can show you is that you just right click on your desktop, and if you see the NVIDIA Control Panel, then you can straight away click over here and then can start the process from here. But if you don't see this option as well, then what should you do? Because for my system I was not even seeing this option. Even I went to control panel, so I went to this control panel option, my NVIDIA control panel was not coming up. So this means that you need to install, maybe the drivers are installed but this control panel is not set up on your system, so you need to install this NVIDIA control panel setup. So for doing that, if that is also not done, then you need to go to this NVIDIA graphic card, nvidia.com, and over here basically you need to select your product type. So your product type, for my case it was GeForce, and then you need to select the which series. Now how will you know the series or which product type is there? So to do that, what you can do is you can go to the computer management and then you select device manager. In the device manager, over here you will need to see the display adapter. So once you see the display adapter, you see this NVIDIA GeForce. Okay, so once you see GeForce over here, select GeForce. Then for the notebook series, so that I selected because if you see over here, this is 700 and GT 740. So my first guess was that it is 700 series over here. So I selected 700 series, and then it came as 740M over here, so I selected that. My operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, and then you download this NVIDIA driver. So it will be a kind of a setup which will look somewhere like this setup over here. Once you download the setup, run this, definitely you will see you may have to restart your system. Once it is done, everything is done, then you will see this NVIDIA control panel option. Okay, for those users you already have this NVIDIA control panel option coming up, no need to worry, just click on it. Once you click on it, you go to the program settings. So over here in the program settings, you need to select the 64-bit version. Because my OS is 64-bit, I need to select the open broadcast software as 64-bit. Over here for your system, it would be set to somewhere as use global settings or high performance NVIDIA processor. You need to go back and choose integrated graphics. I've already chosen the integrated graphics, that's why I'm able to record right now. So once you choose integrated graphics, close your this thing, save this at the bottom, and then close this thing, then restart your OBS. Once you restart your OBS, then you will start seeing this display capture thing over here. Thanks for watching and happy coding.